Ever pondered how artificial intelligence or AI could revolutionize the cruise ship industry? This sophisticated technology is already making waves, enhancing operational efficiency and the passenger experience in remarkable ways. Today, we'll sail through some of the areas where AI is making a significant impact. First, let's consider personalization. AI is transforming the passenger experience by tailoring it individual tastes and preferences. By analyzing data from previous trips, AI can suggest activities, dining options, and excursions that align with each guest's interests. This personalized touch not only improves customer satisfaction, but also encourages guests to fully all that the ship has to offer. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into how AI is enhancing personalization for passengers. You won't believe what's coming next. Next, we venture into the realm of safety and maintenance. Here, AI plays a crucial role. AI-powered surveillance systems monitor for unusual behavior or unauthorized access, enhancing onboard security. Furthermore, predictive maintenance systems driven by AI can anticipate potential issues with the ship's machinery and systems. This foresight ensures smoother sailing and significantly reduces the risk of disruptive mechanical failures. Then, we have navigation and efficiency. AI algorithms are working behind the scenes to optimize routes in real time, taking into account factors such as weather conditions, sea currents, and fuel consumption. This not only ensures passenger safety and comfort but also contributes to more sustainable operations by minimizing fuel use and reducing environmental impact. Let's not forget onboard amenities. Cruise ships are harnessing the power of AI to upgrade their offerings. Virtual assistants in cabins powered by AI can handle requests, set alarms, and provide information about the ship's facilities and activities. Some cruise lines are even experimenting with AI-powered robots for bartending and customer service tasks, bringing a futuristic touch to the guest experience. In the light of recent global health concerns, AI is also stepping up in health monitoring. AI systems can identify individuals who may be unwell through thermal scanning and facial recognition technology, allowing for early intervention and reducing the spread of illnesses on board. While the integration of AI into cruise ships offers numerous benefits, it's not without challenges. Privacy concerns and the need for robust cybersecurity measures are paramount to protect sensitive data. And as AI technology continues to advance, ongoing research and development aim to further enhance AI capabilities on cruise ships. To sum up, the integration of artificial intelligence is redefining the cruise ship industry, from operations to passenger experiences. As we continue to ride the wave of technological evolution, we can look forward to even more innovative applications of AI that will further redefine the cruising experience.
This is Steve, your host. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and share to be part of our community.